Hi there, guys. I'm going to do this problem for you because I have several students asking. Um, they've said that the video, they try to follow the steps and they get the wrong answer. That's probably because, at least I noticed on one student's solution, that they had labeled the columns incorrectly. And that's understandable because most of the problems of this sort would have the x values listed in the first column and the probabilities in the second column. So it's just that the columns are reversed, but that doesn't change how you work the problem. You just have to be careful to label it correctly. So notice that I've copied and pasted the values here, and I was careful to make sure to label the first column P of x and the second column x. And then I continue with the calculations as explained in the video. And I'll do them again right here just to make it convenient. So here are the formulas for the parameters of a random variable. And we're just going to take each x value. I'll clear this out and do it from scratch. Okay, so we'll first calculate the mean doing x times p of x. So that's in each row, x times its corresponding probability. I have to do that over. X times corresponding probability, and then copy that down and use the sum function, and there you have your mean. We need that first. Okay, so we just carried out this formula. Now we're going to do the variance, and we need the mean for that. So I'm going to come into this column and start calculating all my squared differences each times their corresponding probabilities. So this x value minus the mean, to make that an absolute reference, quantity to the power of 2 times the corresponding probability for that x value. Copy that down and then sum it up, or you could even type it in like this and select, and then that is your variance. And the standard deviation we get by taking the square root of the variance. And so that should solve your problem if you are struggling with this particular problem.